Union function combines multiple tables together by stacking one on top of another, by matching column names. Typically, we use union when our tables have the same column headers. Connect at least 2 source tables to union function. We can preview the results. If there are non-overlapping column headers, Casetak will list them separately without combining them with other tables. Click on Run Status on the top right corner to check run logs and details of errors if any. Once this step is done, you can either perform further transformations or export the data to a spreadsheet using push function.